India is spending more money on alcohol than on jewelry, according to the co founder of Unify. And that's not even the craziest part. Here's three things I bet you didn't know. One, while the rest of the world has been sobering up and drinking less, India just ordered another round. India is one of the fastest growing alcohol markets. It's on track to become the second largest alcohol consumption market, overtaking the US by 2032. Usually, when countries get richer, people start drinking more beer. That's what happened to the US, that's what happened to China, but India completely skipped that stage. We've gone and ordered premium whiskey. In fact, one in every two whiskey glasses served around the world are consumed in India. So Indians aren't just buying more alcohol, they're buying more expensive alcohol. And guess who's driving this? You'd probably think Indian adult men, right? But that's actually declining. They are drinking less, and the fastest growing segments in India are adult women and Gen Z. As more Indian women and Gen Z enter the workforce, they have more disposable income, and that leads to more discretionary spending. According to WHO, alcohol consumption by Indian women has gone up by 50%. And when the world is saying Gen Z is drinking less, looks like Indian Gen Z really didn't get the memo. And this last one is absolutely insane. Did you know alcohol is not under GST? And it's because it's taxed by the state governments. State governments aren't willing to let go of alcohol tax revenue because it's so much. Karnataka doubled its alcohol tax revenue and they get almost 40,000 crores from it. And there's one listed company that sits at the center of the whole Indian alcohol consumption growth story, and it's called United Spirits. Whether you're buying a 500 rupee bottle or a 5,000 rupee bottle, they benefit because they own brands from McDowell's to Johnny Walker. They just had an incredible set of earnings, and because they're seeing premiumization turn into profitability in India. It's definitely priced for perfection and the valuation is quite high. But if you believe in the whole Indian alcohol consumption story long term, it's definitely one to keep on your watch list. And as always, follow the Daily Dividend for insights like this. Bye.